Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing video of Anker USB-C to USB-C Thunderbolt 3.0 100-watt cable. This cable can be used to charge your devices. So let's do the unboxing. Okay, yeah, I think it's better to see the directions. This is not easy to open on the open side. It's very easy. So the contents of the box is we got a charging cable and also instructions on the state, and so this is a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and also we got a tag that we can use to wrap up the cable, and also good for packaging. Yeah, so thank you for watching this unboxing video. Bye.